everyone, I am Pabs from Pabs Kitchen. Today we are making a spicy, sour and tangy flavored grated radish pickle. In Nepal, we call koreko mulako achar and we eat as a pickle side dish. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's begin. Let's start with the sesame seeds. You can also use pumpkin seeds instead. I'm using 4 tablespoons. You can see here already in the pan. And I have the medium-high flame. I'm using this to season the pickle. Let's fry it until it gets golden brown. Meanwhile, keep shaking or stirring it to get brown evenly. For the full recipe, please go to pabskitchen.com. See, now it's brown. Let's add to a mortar and keep it a couple of pinches to garnish. And with a pestle, pound it to make it like a kind of powder and set aside. I have here washed and peeled 300 grams of daikon radish. Take a grater and grate the radish in this side of your grater to make strips, then paste. See, like this. After finish grating, add it into a large enough bowl. Clean the chopping board. Next, grate 3 cloves of garlic. You can also grate a bit of fresh ginger, but I forgot. Next, 1 large size of spring onion chopped. And add it into the bowl. And a half green chilli, slice and add. You can use to your taste. Add a few pinches of black pepper, half teaspoon of salt, use to your taste, half tablespoon of red chili powder for color and flavor. Of course, you can use to your taste, okay? Next, let's make a seasoning oil. I have a small pan here on the gas with medium flame. Pan is hot now. Add 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil if you have. If not, then you can use any cooking oil. Let it to be hot. Oil is hot now. Add 2 to 3 pinches of fenugreek seeds and let it infuse in the oil until it becomes dark. Now it's dark, see? Turn off the gas before adding the turmeric powder to not to burn it. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it, shaking the pan like this for around 5 seconds. This is a very typical way and this seasoning oil changes the whole flavor of the pickle. Then directly add it into the bowl. Next, let's add the roasted and grinded sesame seeds that we made earlier. And 1.5 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice to make it citricy and more pickly. Mix very well to combine. Remember to season this pickle just before serving because the amount of water comes after. Or in the beginning, after grate the radish, put the pinch of salt, mix and let it sit for around 10 minutes. Then you will see the water. Squeeze all water to throw, then you can make it in advance. But I like it like this, and the water that comes out from the radish is good for our health. So don't worry about it. Looks and smells so good. It is going to be delicious. Look, all mixed. Let's put it in the serving plate. And garnish with the roasted sesame seeds. See the juice, like I said, I love it. It is not just the water. It has full of flavor from those lovely spices. I'm going to eat it now. So tasty and spicy. And sesame seeds, so aromatic. It looks as good as it tastes. Oh my god, so delicious. So today we make a typical Nepali style grated radish pickle side dish. I hope you like it. That's all for now. If you like this, don't forget to click subscribe for lots more delicious cooking recipes. Give a like if you enjoyed this video and check out the link to my website for amazing recipes in the description below. If you like to join Pabs Kitchen community and participate, go to patreon.com/Pabs Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.